Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Rajkumari Chauhan. I teach in Anjuman Islam A. Khatkate English Secondary School. Today I am going to explain you a topic of Geography Standard 10th, 7th chapter Human Settlements Part 2. So as in part 1 we have studied about the various type of settlements. Nucleated settlements, which is a type of settlements called compact settlements, or the houses are very close by to each other, mostly we find in urban areas. Same way, if we talk about dispersed settlements, every house is far away from each other. So this type of settlements we find in mountainous area, desert areas and so on. And the third settlements is called as linear settlements. These are mostly in a straight line and they are found near the water bodies, near railway tracks and so on. Now let's see, in part 2 we are going to compare the urbanization of India and Brazil. So now we will talk about urbanization in India. The urban population is increasing. Expansion of the urban center and emergence of new towns have played a significant role in the growth of urban population and urbanization in the country. So as you can see in this graph, how there is continuous increase in urbanization. So by 2011, you can see 377 million population has grew. And if it continues 2014, we will find there is a drastic increase by 410 million population. So you can see there may be continuous increase till 2050. Now in India, urbanization has been more in southern part than in the northern part in India. You can see in this map. Goa is the most urbanized state with 62% population living in urban areas. Delhi is more than 80% urban. In the state of Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala, urbanization is more. And when we talk about Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Rajasthan are some of the states with low level of urbanization. Now let's see about urbanization in Brazil. So when we talk about Brazil's urbanization, Brazil is one of the few developing countries which is highly urbanized. Brazil's substantial growth process is unique and one of the underlying factors contributing to its present-day rapid economic growth. Today, about 86% of Brazil population lives in urban areas. If we see here, definition of urban is not very clear in our Brazil. In Brazil, rapid urbanization happened mainly in the south and southeast, with major Sao Paulo emerging as a major metropolitan and industrial area. Looking at this growth, in few parts of the country, the government is promoting Go West policy. So you can see here mostly all the areas which we find urbanization is towards the eastern part. So obviously the government wants that the people should stay towards the west. Now here, if you see this map, they have shown the urbanization population in various countries. So as the darker shades shows more urban population. As you see from the map, urbanization has occurred more in the coastal states than the states in the interior of the country. States like Sao Paulo, Goiás, Minas have more urban population than states in the north. As population is less in Amazon basin and Brazilian highlands, urbanization is also less. In this part, like Manas is a port on the confluence of the Negro and the Amazon. Urbanization has occurred here. So this is what we have learned today. So we have seen urbanization in India, as we also know the reason for urbanization in India in various places, because the facilities is more, the fertility is more, again the resources are available, we find more population. So if we talk about India, the population urbanization distribution is totally different. In certain areas it is more, in certain areas it is less, so it is imbalance. Same way, if we talk about Brazil, urbanization, what we see is mostly towards the eastern part, southeastern part. So mostly the government is promoting to move towards west. So this is what we have learned today in human settlements of India and Brazil. I hope you understood the chapter. So thank you so much for listening patiently. Thank you.